So, global warming. That's certainly a term that's been thrown around a lot recently, but what exactly is it about? Well, global warming refers to the increase in the average temperature of the Earth. This is caused by an increase in the greenhouse effect. Now, the greenhouse effect isn't a bad thing. It's a result of the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere trapping the heat from the sun. The light from the sun passes through the Earth's atmosphere and hits the Earth. But then it bounces back up. When it bounces back up, some of the heat escapes back into space, but most of it is contained because of the layer of greenhouse gases. Now, normally the greenhouse effect would be a good thing, but the problem is we're pumping too many greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, and that means we're trapping too much heat. This causes a lot of things, like glaciers at the poles melting and causing the sea level to rise, and also an increase in the amount and severity of storms around the world due to an increase in heat messing with the wind currents. These effects have significant consequences for the environment, animals, and people. So now, global warming is mostly helped along by the increase in greenhouse gases such as methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone. We can help reduce the amount of greenhouse gases emitted into the atmosphere by doing things like planting trees or using alternative methods of transportation, like taking public transports, using bikes, or, well, walking. On a larger scale though, one of the best things we can do is switch over from fossil fuels to alternative sources of energy. Hydrogen fuel cells are a promising alternative to using standard fossil fuels because its only waste product is water. Doesn't get much cleaner than that. Fuel cells like that work using chemical reactions. The electrons from hydrogen flow to the electrons of oxygen. The electron flow is, electricity. That's what's used. And when the process is done, the waste products of hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water, and that's the entire exhaust actually. So yeah, we actually have a few options in staving off the results of global warming. There's actually quite a bit of hope. Just, don't screw up. That'd be bad.